I'm back again in the Blazer. Let me hit the lights for you. So I'm getting the rear seat out. I got to get the carpet out. There's a leak coming from the front A-pillar. And I don't know if it's coming from the windshield's not sealed anymore. I'm not quite sure. So I got to figure that out. But first, I got to get the seat out. So we'll get that done. And then we'll get it out. And, oh, Dolly's taking a dump. Go, Dolly! Okay. So yeah, I got to get this out so I can rip this carpet out. And then I got to dry up all this. There's so much stuff to do. That's all right. Okay. I'll give you guys an update when I can. Ooh, got it. I hope there's no dog poop right there. Okay. Now, we should be able to pull this carpet. Oh my God, it's terrible. Alright, I'll keep you guys, I'll update you then. Alright, so the carpet's out, back seat's out. This side is rough, but I don't think it's gonna go all the way through. At least I hope. But we got it all out. Yeah, and then now I just got to clean this up. And then I got to, the priority number one is figure out what is leaking and is going right down into here. And then leaving a puddle right here. This is not good. As you can see, it's wet right there, so yeah, I'm not quite sure. But either way, this was good progress, so it's finally stripped, at least in this part, and we'll get it cleaned up, and we'll work our way to the back and do that part, yada, 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 bingo, here we go. Beautiful sunset going on right now. But I don't know where my keys are at. I'm back working on this. Let me show you. Did I just step in dog crap? I think I did. That's a bummer, dude. Oh, man. Dang it. Oh, my goodness. I've been dodging that turd for literally probably 3 or 4 weeks, probably a month. All right, anyway. Sorry, that took way longer than I need to be. But anyway, here's the progress I've made, okay? Got a lot of this grinded off, and now I've got some POR right there, and we're just gonna, well, I'm gonna clean it first one last time, and then I'm gonna hit it with brake clean. Okay. Why was that almost darn near impossible? Anyway, I gotta coat this whole thing. coats of POR 15 down. Ran over there, got the driver's side done. So that should be about it. Holy cow, there we go. Sure, my own lighting crew here. That should be about it for this. The rust is inhibited, I guess one would say. I gotta check back there and pull that carpet up and make sure that there isn't any more rust that I need to fix. There probably is, but I've made progress on this. That's probably gonna be a this weekend thing. I also want to primer the hood. So yeah. Right now I'm just kind of slowly going my way, making sure that I can, what would be the best way to say it? Just baby steps. I can't do much. I want to put kill mat down here eventually, and then eventually I want to buy a carpet and do all that, but one step at a time. But I know now that the rust is at least not going to be as bad now, and got lucky. There was no pinholes or anything, so that's good. And yeah, we'll keep rolling on this, and I'll update you guys. Probably going to stop this video. I'm thinking probably a kill mat, and then we're going to call it for this one. You know, get the hood primered and see if there's anything back there, and that'll probably be it for this video. So, alright, we'll see you guys soon. I never showed you guys the finished product here, but there's a finished product with it coated. That stuff works really good. Real good. But yeah, so next steps, we're going to be body working this thing and getting it all ready for exterior paint. I'm not even going to touch the inside until we get the outside done. So we got a lot of work left on this thing, but that's good. That's just more videos for us. So I'll take it as a win. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.